In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create something like this. Now, this is called the digital business card. It saves you the stress of having to print too many business cards, which you're going to be sharing to people, which most of them will not even use it or even save your number from the card. Some people will just take it and say, okay, they're going to do it later. And then before they even get home or before they get back to the office, they must have lost it. So this digital business card allows you to scan and save your business card automatically. And that's not all. They're going to also have access to your social media links, email addresses, websites, WhatsApp, and all the rest of them with just a click of a button as seen in this video. Now, I'm making this video not just to teach you how to do this, but also how to do it for other people and make so much money from it, because it's an innovation that everybody that comes across it will love to have, and that opens door for you to make so much money from it. So in a bit, I'm going to show you guys how to create all these things. It's not difficult. It's something that you can do, and it's something that you can do 100% with your phone, and it's something that can generate a lot of money for you. Before the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use this to generate a lot of money on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, and of course on a yearly basis. It can make you a lot of money. So please pay attention, because this is a very, very, very high demand digital skill that you can use to make money. So I just discovered this and I decided to share it with you guys first, and I intend to turn this to a very big business and use it to make a lot of money for myself. And I'm going to be sharing all the journey, the proceeds, the money that I make from this, and all my clients, how I got them and everything on this channel. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer. Let me share my screen and teach you how to get this done. So this is qrcodechimp.com. This is the platform we're going to be using to create this. It's a free to use platform. They have a free plan and they have a paid plan. All right. So we're going to be using the free plan for this. So to start designing the digital business card, all you have to do is to click on this option, vCard Plus. Now, when it opens, the first thing we need to do is to pick our color. So you can go ahead and pick your brand color or something like that, anything, or you can even choose a background image. I think I like this because it's, it has some video, motion, and it's so it will add some context to the design. So I think I like this. But if you have yours, you can go ahead and click here to upload yours. Okay, this is where you upload yours, and then here is the picture, this picture you're seeing here. So you're going to go ahead and upload your picture or your logo depending on what you're doing it for. If you're doing it solely for business, you can go ahead and upload your business logo or the business logo of the people of the company or business that you're doing it for. Remember, we're going to be using this to make money, so we're not just doing it for ourselves. We are going to be doing it for others and get paid for it. To upload your picture, you just click here and select the picture that you want. This is my universal picture for all my social media profile, and now it's updated. So we're going to go ahead and fill up all these details. First name, you're going to put your first name here. So I'm going to go by the name that they know me with, and then you put your phone number. Put your phone number here. So for international purposes, it's best that you put the country code with the number so that anybody from anywhere that scans it can be able to call you just by one single dial. And then we'll put our email address. You're going to put your email address or the business email address, whichever one that is available to you. Just go ahead and put it here. So here is company name. So company name, I'm going to go ahead and put 7 Figure Boss Academy. Since I'm going to use this as a company name, let me quickly remove this as the name and just write it like this. Your job title, I'm the lead coach at 7 Figure Boss Academy. Address, you can just leave out the address. Then summary is a summary of what the business is about. Digital business coach and financial analyst. Okay, that is good. Then web links, you can go ahead and add your websites if you have one. You can also use it to add maybe your YouTube channel if you have one, or add your favorite links if you're a blogger. Add the link to your favorite posts and maybe your reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and add, my reviews, Google review, get more reviews. Then also I'm going to put trust pilot reviews, just to have a little bit of depth to it. So I'm going to add this here. So this is good. Like I said before, if you have a link to something that you want to share, like you want people to see, people that meet you for the first time to see maybe something that you do, link to your business, link to your product, to your hot selling products, or link to your blog post if you're a blogger, or links to an interview of you, or anything that you want the people that are meeting you for the first time to see. So for me, I want them to see this the first time they meet me. They're going to see Google review, they're going to see Trustpilot review. So this gives them, you know, that's listening ears, because I go into a lot of meetings for brand sponsorship, promotion, and everything. So it's a very good way to get people to want to buy or patronize me, right? So I want people to see this first. Then you can go ahead here and upload pictures, samples of your business or your product or whatever it is that you do. This is how it's going to appear if you upload that. But personally, I don't like it, so I'm going to be removing the pictures, because, you know, for me, I feel it's not necessary for my business, but it can actually work well for your business, right? So we're going to go ahead and just delete these pictures. We don't want them. I like it very clean and fresh, you know, minimalistic, you know, design. I don't want too many information at the same time. This is looking very good. So now we'll move over to social media links. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up all the social media links and then show you guys. So I have added all my social media links. As you can see here, all my social media links are here. And then you move over to the next section, which is the page loader. And this page loader is, according to them, a page loader is an image displayed when it takes time to load the landing page after people scan the QR code. So we're going to put a picture here as the page loader picture. So I'm going to go ahead again and put this my profile picture. Yes, so I have the page loader now and everything is okay. So personally, I like editing my QR codes because I don't like it, you know, to appear the normal way that QR codes appear. So I like making adjustments. So you click on design, color, and decorate QR code. Click on this plus sign and then you can choose any shape. This is QR code shape. You can choose any shape that you want depending on your type of business. If you're a copywriter, you can do something like this. If you sell, you know, if you have e-commerce store or something like that, you can do something like this. If you're a cinematographer, you can choose something like this. So there's a whole lot you can choose from. If you're a lecturer or a pastor or something, you can actually choose this. So there's a whole lot to choose from here. And that is one of the reasons I love this platform. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose something unique. I would have chosen this bike as one of the things that I love. Then there's pre-designed. There's pre-designed. This one has already been designed for you. If you like any of them, maybe the color or something, just go ahead and select the pre-designed ones. Then there's sticker. You can also choose sticker how you want it to appear in a sticker. So here we have this. If I'm going to do this design, then I'll go back to the QR code and use something similar to my business so that it doesn't look as if I sell bikes. You understand the point, right? So I'm going to go ahead and choose something related. Yes, we'll now go to stickers and choose this. So here I'll also like to change the body type to a faint color so that it looks faint a little bit. So I'll just leave it like this, increase the scaling a little bit so that it'll be sharp and people will have difficulties in scanning it. So that's it. Then for iframe type like this. So I'm going to choose the iframe type to be this. So, and I'm also going to choose the eyeball to be something like this. So something like this is good. So we'll have the eyeball and iframe changed already. So we can also move on to logos. If you want to add logos, it's totally fine. You can add logos to the design. And if you want to add any logo to it, maybe just Instagram that you're trying to promote or something, but you know, it's not necessary, so I don't advise that you add this. And also you can also decorate your own pictures. You can add your pictures and then use the QR code to decorate the picture. So you can go ahead and download this now if you want to, but we're going to still come back to this. Let's quickly save this. Let's save our QR code. Give a name to your QR code campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and write seven figure boss and select a folder. We don't want to put it in a folder yet, but you can always put it in a folder, right? So now that we have the QR code saved, let's pull up the QR code and scan it and see if everything is working optimally. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this right now. Yes, it has popped up. I click on it and now you can see the digital business card has popped up. Everything is looking nicely. My website, Google review, Trustpilot, everything is looking very nice and sleek. So you can click here to make a phone call, and you can click here to send a text message, and also you can click here to send an email, and every other social media links works. Here is the Instagram, here is Twitter, and here is WhatsApp, and here is TikTok, and here is the YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also like this video. Please like this video so that other people can see it and benefit from it, and I'll be very grateful to you. So next thing you want to do is to just go ahead and click on save to contacts. So now it has been saved automatically. And if I go to my contacts, for instance, here it is on my contact. As you can see, it's even favorited. So your number will always pop up. And you can see here, this is the phone number, this is the email address, this is the website, this is another website, that's the Google review, this is Trustpilot. Everything is included here, and all these links are clickable like this. If you click on it, it takes you to the review page instantly. So everything is in the contact lists, both the email address, everything is in the contact. So please guys, go ahead and scan this right now so that you can also have my numbers and my details saved in your phone, so that we can also communicate with each other outside of YouTube. And now that we have this out of the way, I want to quickly share with you how you can use this to make money for yourself. Now you can create this for business owners, you can create this for restaurants, you can create this for boutique owners. In fact, everybody needs this innovation. So it's not peculiar to a certain kind of people or working class people. Everybody needs it. As you can see, the social media links are added to it. You can have a card, just a business card, nicely printed, and then you put this QR code on top of the card. You print the QR code on top of the card with the design and everything. And then when someone asks you for your business card, all you need to do is to just flash the business card on the phone, and all your contact details is transferred to the person's phone. How mind-blowing is that? So this is very, very lucrative, and I would like you guys to take advantage of it. I don't want this to be just another video that you watch again and then you go back to being normal. I want this to be something that you will implement. As I am sharing it with you guys, I'm already working out something on the pipeline. It's going to be a big business for me, and I'm sure if you're following me on my social media pages, very soon you'll start seeing it flying all over the place. So you might want to start yours before I start mine, because mine is going to be grand. And that is to let you guys know that I don't withhold any information on this channel. I share genuine ways to make money online, non-complicated ways to make money online. And all you need to do for yourself and your financial future is to take advantage of all the ideas that I drop on this channel, to use it to build wealth for yourself, so that in the end you will say, yes, it's because you came across 7-Figure Boss Academy and that is why you were able to start making 7 figures. All these things are possible only if you can implement. And if you're curious to learn how I make 7 figures every month, I've outlined 7 ways I make 7 figures every month, and is on this video. Please go ahead and watch this video on your screen now to learn how you can also make 7 figures using these 7 skills that I outlined in the video. You're going to love it, and it's going to really help you in generating 7 figures over time.